James Kaufman, World News Report today. Ladies and gentlemen, people are trying to melt the snow that seems to be falling, and they're telling us that they're finding it to be plastic and smell like plastic and not melt with fire, with water. I don't know if anyone's tried alcohol yet, but this man is actually using a welder. Let's see how it goes for him. And he's been melting ice his entire life in just this manner, but this ice doesn't melt.
That's crazy. I mean, it's melting it now. Okay, there it is.
How much heat do you have to put?
You have to put an enormous amount of
500 degrees
to melt this snow. And even then, it's having problems.
Yeah. He's having issues right now trying to melt.
That's insane.
It should just be turning the water.
Manufactured snow. Manufactured ice. That's insane.
Should be cutting holes at it right now.
That's insane. That's what I'm saying. Like, we should have been getting ice all off of there. It should have been done within a matter of minutes.
And these gentlemen have used this technique to remove the ice from this exact area several times in the past. Now, scientists are saying that there's a reason that this is occurring, but I'm just not feeling it. Again, they've used water. One of them just set it up for several hours inside in the warmth in a dish, and it didn't melt whatsoever. This one's using fire again. We'll show you some other techniques. Water doesn't seem to melt it. I'm wondering if alcohol will. We don't really have much snow on the ground here, so I won't be giving that a test and don't want whatever this is in my body. They are saying that it appears to be styrofoam or plastic in nature and smells very strange when lit on fire, not like water. Now this man is trying several ways, and you can see it turns into a black styrofoam of sorts, but not one drop of water comes off of it. We'll show you what else he's up to. Obviously, none of it melted during that. He also tries to use water, I believe. In one of these, I believe it's this one.
Hasn't dripped once.
Here he is, determined
Dripped once.
with the fire. Now he's using water.
That doesn't make sense.
Continue to use water and nothing drips.
That doesn't make sense.
So what about time? This is bringing it indoors and putting it in a glass dish and just seeing if it would melt indoors. Again, smells like plastic or chemicals, but it's not melting whatsoever. See what she has to say.
So I'm in Virginia. It's after the snowstorm. We've all still got a lot of ice and snow out there. I came across something online about someone trying to burn the snow and it turning black and smelling like plastic. So I thought I'd give it a whirl. And it did.
Now she also gives it several hours. This is part one. During her part two, she comes back a few hours later and it hasn't melted a bit or changed the form whatsoever or shape whatsoever. Now here's part two, where she left it sitting for 30 minutes. Not one drop of water's in the bowl. Watch now.
Okay, y'all, so it's probably been about 30 minutes now. The snow ice is still in the bowl. I'm going to lift it up again and here, I'm going to lay it down. There's
not one drop.
Nothing happening. It's been in a 70-degree house and had a lighter held to it. There's no melting. So I'm going to do it again. Probably shouldn't be doing this inside and smelling it because it really does have a
Again, scientists say that there's a reason, and it's real snow,
Kind of puts like a glaze.
but they're government scientists.
Glaze where the fire touches.
The real
Like
question
it's
is,
silver. Did you see that?
why wouldn't it just melt slowly inside in the bowl? Not even one drop of water in 30 minutes.
There's that smell.
She's serious.
I just want you guys to actually see
Put it on a stove.
the burn marks.
You can't even turn it black anymore. Again, they say it's like
It's not melting in the bowl, guys.
styrofoam.
You're holding the lighter to it, but there's no melting.
Not one drop of water. This is unbelievable.
It looks like it's melting. I mean, it's indenting, but there's no liquid going into it.
Now, we've seen this before.
Okay, so there's your burn mark.
It's like polyurethane. We've seen this.
Well, no, I'm just not going to light it anymore in the house, but I do want to come back in and check it in just a minute, in about another half hour, because I want to see if there's ever any melting going on. There's a few chunks that came off of it, but still there's not like any water in the bottom. Just chunks.
Now, again, scientists are screaming that there is a scientific reason for this, but why wouldn't you bring snow into a 70, 75-degree home and leave a ball in a glass bowl for several hours? Won't there be any water? Just a drop or two of water in there? Is the snow going to stay around forever? This gentleman comes out, grabs some of it. He already says it smells weird. He wants y'all to make sure that he's not switching it out with anything. And he goes to heat it up, and guess what happens? Nothing. Now, I've seen them left in a bowl now for an hour and a half. Lighters. The torch, welding torch, did seem to melt it in some places to an extent. But there's a component to this snow that doesn't seem normal. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. I remember this happening last year as well. Please leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and again, I guess anything's possible in Bizarro world.